Pat Walker here with Mission Winners. Time for the top stocks this week that you should have on your watch list. These are all key list stocks. They are vetted. So here we go. First stock on the list, ACI Worldwide. Group rank, you'll love this. Group rank 6, it's in the top 10 groups. B, accumulation distribution. Composite rating, 98. Timeliness, A. Relative strength, 95. We do our homework on these. You can see it lifted off good on Friday, formed a little base here. If it takes out the highs here, this may continue onwards, okay? Now, it's a bit extended from this low level base, so what do? If we buy less shares, and that helps us. We always work hard to control risk. And again, taking out the tops right here. And the next stock on the list right here is ALKT. Here we go. There's the chart. I'll show you. See these tops across here? And we're big on clean and simple bases. We don't like fancy stuff. Why? Let's be very pragmatic. If I see it, if you see it, if everybody sees it, does it not increase the potential that they will buy also? Yes, it does. So what do we want to do? Take out that line right here. What's the high on this bar? 4106. 4110 could be a buy on ALKT. And just to frame this up a little bit further for you, watch this. We do our homework fundamentally and technically, all right? Composite rating 98, group rank 6, B plus accumulation distribution, relative strength 92, leading the stock in the new high ground. Last quarter's earnings up 800%. Last quarter sales up 27%. Earnings estimates, they're looking for a 765% increase in earnings this year over last year. Institutions follow that stuff. That's what we look for. Money goes there. Continue onwards. Shopify, SHOP. You can see this base small shelf right here. Shopify, earnings per share rating 99, composite rating 99. We own this from down lower, okay? And so what are we looking for? Pulls back, getting a bounce here off the rising 8 EMA. This is a powerful moving average, folks. See the volume pickup on Thursday? There's a small shelf here. Take out the highs of this bar at 108.30. 108.30. You can say, how'd you get that? Watch the H. It's 108.21. It doesn't need to be a dime higher. Just round it to the next round number. 108.30 on Shopify. I would make it more of an add-on than a new buy, but if this has a good market and good volume, this could be a potential buy. That's why it's on this list. The next one, DoorDash. See the clean tops across here, and I'll draw this for you to help. Pretty clean tops right there. See the volume that came into it on Friday? We like that. So what are we looking for on DoorDash? Well, first off, group rank 63. I can live with that. Group rank B, accumulation distribution B. Composite ratings 84. I can live with that, but this is what I like. Last quarter's earnings of 300%. Last quarter sales up 25%. They are looking for a 119% increase in earnings this year over last year. They are looking for a 606% increase in earnings next year over this year. That's what we look for. Money goes to where there's positive news coming. That's what they're after. That's what they anticipate. So there's DoorDash. And again, you can see the clean tops here. B accumulation distribution. Let's move on to the next one. Goldman Sachs. Max list stock. Love Goldman Sachs. Simple base right here. Earnings per share rank 87. B minus accumulation distribution. Group rank B. Composite rating 92. Oh, and I guess I should say this. It's a max list stock. There you go. Love max list stocks. You can see this top across here. All it needs is to push through with volume. Last quarter's earnings up 54%. I mean, that's what we look for, folks. Looking for a 60% increase in earnings this year over last year. Relative strength 91, leading the stock in the new high ground. And here's another one for you. How about that? Tesla. Now, this is a new one to the list, okay? As far as max list stocks are concerned, we all know about Tesla, TSLA. It's been good to us. You see this simple base right here? You see the volume coming into that? That's what we look for. What is it? Well, you'll like this. It's an ETF, okay? So as far as composite rating, it doesn't really have one, okay? But this is the important part. A minus accumulation distribution You can see this clean shelf and look at the volume that came into that. That's what we look for. Simplicity like that. That will really help you. Focus on that, setups like that, and you'll do much better.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.